At Arden House, you'll find that there is a TV in two of the main bedrooms. To use the television, you'll need to use the remote control. So we provide Netflix on the televisions, which is as part of the package. So just push the Netflix button and that will activate the television. This will start the television and go straight into Netflix. If you're not familiar with Netflix, you just use the dial here and just push up or down, and then you can select whichever show you wish to, and just push OK when you wish to select that show. If you wish to access other apps such as BBC iPlayer, if you just push the F play button, that will then go into the apps such as you have iPlayer, ITV Hub, Channel 4, My5, and there's various other ones. You'll need to sign in these yourself to access these, but you can see the different shows that are on there. And that's how to use television in the bedroom. Thank you.